What are we doing again? Butter, that's right. We cannot talk about butter unless we make something sweet. So I'm gonna make some sugar cookies, but not just any sugar cookie, a gluten-free sugar cookie. Why not give the gluten intolerant folks a nice little treat? I myself ate pretty strict gluten-free for about 7 years. I had crazy symptoms, not necessarily all gastro, but like, so fortunately, I had a nutritionist who told me to do an elimination diet, and then I got pregnant and I found that I could include a lot more allergens back into my diet. No, not so much, but you know. Okay, everything is going into the food processor, which makes this cookie a breeze. I have some icing sugar too, so no butter sugar emulsion needs to happen. We saw what happened when I made those lobster rolls. The emulsion was not working so well. I'm gonna have 3 egg yolks. I'm gonna save the egg whites for a little something something. And some xanthan gum. So I need to explain that xanthan gum is a really great gluten-free baked good addition because it creates a structure in the dough such that it collects all of the starches that would normally fall apart in your baked good. And of course, we have to have some vanilla in a sweet. A little dash. Sand. But I cannot talk about where I got my start in cooking if I do not mention baking with my grandparents. Baking with my grandparents was really a really nice memory that I have. Actually, you can show them over there. I have my grandparents chilling there, watching over me. They were really wonderful at showing me a bunch of Serbian desserts. I have fond memories of getting together with them in Serbia and having them show me all these desserts that are normally put together for when my mom has special occasions. And my grandparents, like, there's nothing that compares to a grandparent's love. Ooh! Nothing that compares to a grandparent's love when they take you into their kitchen. Like, everyone assumes that, oh, your mother must be an amazing cook, which she is. But with my mom, I more so learned how to hustle than anything. She was more like, I want to get you out of the kitchen so I can cook a little bit quicker. And speaking of which, let me roll this up and show you how it all kind of gathers together. If I had more time, I would make this into a proper log, trust me. This will work. Nora, may I have the swap, please? My lovely assistant, Nora, is going to bring me some already trayed out cookies. So this dough, well, hold on. We have to do our secret handshake. Okay. Wait, hold on. Hiya! And then, goodbye. So now I have my raw sugar cookie dough. Here, I have the extra egg white that I saved from the egg yolks. And it's just gonna have a little glaze on there. A little extra dusting of sugar. You can shape these however you want. You can shape them like the flag of your choice. You can shape them like a star. You know, this is one of those generic cookie recipes that you can create whatever you want out of it. I'm grating some palm sugar on it, just for a little something something. These are also known as icebox cookies because you can keep them in your freezer, and then if you want like a little something something, you can just throw them in the oven. And then bling, 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 bling. That's supposed to be like a magical sound effect, okay? Can we get that in post, please? Can we add like a little bit of a magical effect? And we have these gorgeous little beauties. You can cut them thin, thick. And no one will ever know they're gluten-free.